Okay, it's a simple play. Okay, right now we have two guys on their off wings. Okay, this defense is in no man's land. Okay, but what I like here is that Grabner's toe caps are going this way originally. He doesn't continue to the net on the back end because that's a low percentage play. He stays in this lane while flipping these hips to get him into a nice shooting position. Once he does that, this defenseman for some reason gets upright. And that play is available. But all this is created from this guy flipping the hips. I think Fast, in a way, Fast does kind of telegraph what he's doing here. But it's good execution. And it just hammers home the point of this offside guy. He doesn't need to go to the net so hard. What he needs to do is he needs to find a lane where he's going to be able to get that puck on his stick and rip it. Right? He stays in the lane instead of driving to the net, flips his hips, gets a quality shot, scores the Geno.